Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to map the logo on curved surface. So here we have a curved surface and we will learn how we can map the logo. So before starting this tutorial, and if you are new to FreeCAD, then also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write the articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. And if you like my method of teaching and if you want to support me, then you can support me on coffee.com. You can buy a cup of coffee for me. So let's start our tutorial. So to map the logo on a curved surface, it is important that you must have an SVG file. So I have already downloaded an SVG file, so I will click on import and then I will import it. So here I have imported my SVG file. So once you import the SVG file, you will see here the option open as a drawing or SVG file. So I will select the SVG file. Now I will say no. So you can see that the logo has been imported here. Now if you go to our tree view, then we can see that this logo is divided in a multiple of entities. So activate the draft workbench and select all these by pressing the shift key, and then convert it to the sketch. So now this sketch having no any relation with the previous one, so you can delete it. Now on a draft workbench I will off this grid. Now we will require the curve workbench. So if you have a curve workbench, then activate it, and if you do not have, then go to the tool and add-on manager, install the curve workbench. Now once the curve workbench is activated, then you will see here an option sketch on a surface. So here we will select the surface on which we will map this logo. So I wanted to map on this surface. So first select the surface and click on this icon, sketch on surface. So in browser you will see that sketch on a surface has been created, and inside the sketch on surface there is a mapped sketch. So you will see that here a sketch has been created. So this is basically the surface area, and now I will switch to the top view, and here I will switch to the wireframe. Now we will click on create a carbon copy and click on our sketch. So here it is in the construction, so we will toggle it. We will select all this. So we have selected everything. Then we will convert it to the normal sketch line. So this process will take time, depends upon your SVG file. So in this example I have took very simple SVG file to explain you. So now it is a normal sketch. Now I will close it and I will on the flat lines. So you can see that this logo has been mapped on the surface here. Now I will go to the sketch on a surface and then property manager, and here I will give the thickness I will give the 1.5. so this will take some time. Okay, So you can see that a thickness has been added. So you can see that we have successfully mapped this logo on the surface. Now if you want to change its position, then by going to the map sketch here, you can adjust the position of your logo. So this is a very small tutorial on how to map the logo on a curved surface. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share this channel, and also support me on coffee.com. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.